The Campbell clan is one of the most well-known and powerful clans in Scottish history. Among the many branches of the Campbell clan, the Breadalbane branch is one of the most notable, with a rich history and an important place in Scottish culture. The Breadalbane Campbells descend from Black Colin of Glenorchy, the third son of Sir Duncan Campbell of Loch Awe, first Lord Campbell, and Lady Marjorie Stewart. With the dispersal of the MacGregors from Glenorchy in the late 15th century, Sir Duncan gifted the lands to Black Colin, who built the castle of Kilchurn at the northeast end of Loch Awe to command the gateway to the Western Highlands. By this stage, the Chief of Glenorchy could travel from the east end of Loch Tay to the coast of Argyll without leaving his own land. One of the most notable figures in Breadalbane Campbell history is John Campbell, 1st Earl of Breadalbane and Holland. In 1681, he won favour with William of Orange and was given the responsibility of ensuring that Highland Jacobite chiefs came to terms with King William's invasion, although he took a relatively impartial stance. However, this was totally compromised in 1692 when his cadet clan, Campbell of Glenlyon, implicated him in the massacre of the MacIan Macdonalds on Glencoe. Over the years, the Breadalbane Campbells have been known for their power and influence in Scottish politics and society. In 1831, John, 4th Earl, was created first Marquess of Breadalbane. Although the title became extinct after the death of the second Marquess, his kinsman Gavin, 7th Earl of Breadalbane, was created Marquess in his own right in 1885. However, he too died without issue, and the title again became extinct. Several notable castles and places of interest are associated with the Breadalbane Campbells. Kilchurn Castle, which was built by Sir Colin Campbell of Glenorchy in the 15th century, is an iconic and picturesque ruin that attracts many visitors each year. Taymouth Castle, located in Kenmore, Perthshire, is another notable castle, that was built on the site of what had been Balloch Castle. It was here that Queen Victoria and her consort, Prince Albert, were guests of the Marquess of Breadalbane in 1842. Edinample Castle, on the shore of Loch Awe, was built by Sir Duncan Campbell in the 17th century on the site of a former MacGregor stronghold. Finally, Finlarrig Castle, near Killin, was the 16th century seat of the Campbells of Glenorchy and is associated with the Breadalbane Mausoleum, a Tudor chapel erected in 1829. The clan Campbell of Breadalbane has a rich and fascinating history that has played an important role in Scottish culture and society. From its powerful chiefs to its iconic castles and places of interest, the Breadalbane Campbells have left an indelible mark on the history and culture of Scotland.